Another day, another English lesson. Polite requests. Do you mind? Versus would you mind? Hello there. Today we're going to look at two very useful phrases. Do you mind? And would you mind? They help you sound polite and respectful in many everyday situations. The verb mind means to be bothered or annoyed by something. So when you ask, do you mind? You're really asking, would it bother you if... Part 1. Asking someone to do something, using a gerund. One easy way to use these phrases is by following them directly with a gerund. Do you mind plus gerund? Would you mind plus gerund? When you use this structure, you are asking someone to do an action for you. Examples. A. Would you mind closing the door? B. Not at all. I'll close it right now. A. Do you mind speaking a little more slowly? B. Of course not. I'll try to speak more slowly. A. Would you mind helping me with these bags? B. No problem. Key takeaway. Both do you mind and would you mind work perfectly with a gerund. Using would you mind is a little more polite, but both are excellent and very common. Part 2. Asking for permission, using if plus a clause. Now let's look at how to ask for permission to do something ourselves. For this, we use if. Here's the small but important grammar rule that makes the difference. 1. With do you mind if. When you use do you mind if, you follow it with a verb in the present tense. This is used for real, immediate situations. You're asking someone for permission to do something now. Do you mind if, on simple present clause. Examples. A. Do you mind if I sit here? B. Go ahead. A. Do you mind if we watch a movie? B. No, I don't mind. That sounds fun. 2. With would you mind if. When you use would you mind if, you follow it with a verb in the past simple tense. This sounds more hypothetical and is therefore a little more polite and formal. Would you mind if plus? Simple past clause. Examples. A. Would you mind if I used your phone? B. Not at all. Here you go. A. Would you mind if I joined you for lunch? B. No, that would be great. Notice the difference in meaning between the two structures. Would you mind closing the door? You're asking someone else to do something. Would you mind if I closed the door? You're asking for permission to do it yourself. How to answer politely. Because the question is, do you mind? Which means, will this bother you? Answering no means, I do not mind, which is a good thing. It means you are saying yes to the request. To give permission, you might say, no, not at all. No, of course not. No, go ahead. Or, not at all. To refuse politely, you might say, I'm sorry, but I do. Actually, I'd prefer if you didn't. Or, I'm a bit busy right now, sorry. Now watch and complete the requests correctly with the gerund, if I, plus present tense, or if I, plus past tense. Read the responses to help you. Use the verb in parentheses.
Would you mind if I borrowed your phone to make a quick call?
No, that's fine.
Would you mind checking the spelling on this document?
Sure, I'll look it over. Would you mind if I brought a friend to the meeting?
No, that's perfectly fine.
Do you mind turning down the music a little?
Oh, sorry. I didn't realize it was that loud.
Would you mind sending me the report this afternoon?
Not at all. I'll email it right away.
Would you mind if I sat here?
Go ahead. It's free.
Do you mind closing the window? It's a bit cold.
Not at all. I'll close it.
Would you mind if I opened the window? It's getting warm.
Not at all. Go ahead.
Would you mind if I left a bit early today?
That's okay. You finished your work anyway.
Do you mind helping me carry these boxes?
Of course not. I'll take one.
Would you mind waiting here for just a minute?
No problem. Take your time.
Would you mind if I used your pen for a second?
Not at all. Here you go.
Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.